Hello, I'm Robin Eckhart. I'm one of the instructors here at Southern Crescent Technical College, and I'd like to introduce you to our technical certificate course, two-term course on the small unmanned aircraft systems, commonly called drones. So we'll be learning about drones. We're learning about the weather that's involved with flying a drone, the regulations, the airspace. Of course, we'll be also exploring the many different applications for drones. If you've seen the news at all recently, you've seen drone footage. So there's a news, media, advertising, but then there's also public safety, the police, the fire departments, search and rescue. There's many different applications. Industrial, power line inspections, roofs, not only residential roofs and real estate, but also industrial roofs. They need inspecting. Many different applications as well. Of course, if you are a policeman or if you are a fireman, this would be a skill that might be important for you to develop as a professional development. At any rate, we have a number of different aircraft already. We have this large room here. I really can't see all of it here, but this is an indoor drone aviary. We'll be able to fly drones around. We have a good number of these Rise Tello starter aircraft. You see they have propeller guards and they're pretty safe. You can bump into walls and all that just as a learning experience. We also have obstacle course here as well, so we'll be learning that as well. Start out in the simulator, no crashes, and then we move to this kind of drone just to get some good practice. It's important as a hopeful employee somewhere is to take something with you and offer to the employer. Hey, I've got this technical certificate that says I know a lot more than just simply taking a multiple choice quiz and passing that. I know all these other things about weather and airspace and etc. But also I have a good number of hours actually flying a drone. Now you may personally have a drone at home, recreational drone flying. That's great. This course is not about recreational drone flying. This is about obtaining the qualifications to be able to go to an employer and say, I have the qualifications to fly a drone for you. So we start out with something small like that. You can see right over here is our Phantom 4 Pro blinking, all excited to go flying at this point. But we're also buying 10 DJI Mavic Minis to fly. We're going to eventually, the course will involve a thermal imaging drone. We'll be able to do some field trips with that as well, do some practice search and rescue, etc. So we have a great many opportunities here with this course. It's 2 terms. I think I mentioned that already. It's 2 terms, so we're starting in March. I'm looking forward to seeing you here. It should be an exciting time. We'll have some fun too as well. These are actually, I was just flying this one, the Tello this morning. We have some tunnels that we fly through and whatever is the obstacle course here. But anyway, any questions, go to the Southern Crescent Technical College website and look up the program there and sign up. Again, my name's Robin Eckhart, and it was good to meet you. Thank you.